So on page 132, all I did was I went through and I graphed all the stuff that I knew. So I graphed a hole at -2,6, about right there. I graphed a vertical asymptote right here at x equals 2. No horizontal asymptote. And then I did my y and x-intercept of 0, 0. And then I also had x-intercepts of -6, 0, and 4, 0. So then what I did was, based on these little dots that I had, you can see I also have these red dots. Well, what I did was I went to my calculator and I had my graph, and then I pressed menu, and I picked number 5, which was trace, and I picked number 1, which is graph trace. And now what you can do is you can type any number on the calculator screen, and it will tell you in the corner what the intercept or what the ordered pair is. So when I looked at my graph, I figured I needed to know what happened at 1, because I knew what happened at 0, and I knew what happened at 2, but I needed to find the dot at 1. So all I did was I pressed 1, and it shows up there, enter. In the bottom corner, it tells me that at my graph, at 1, I'm at -10.5. So that's what I got there. And then I picked some other points so that I got this dot, and that dot, and that dot, and this dot, and this one way up here, and then I could draw it. And then we had this parabolic asymptote, which we're not normally going to have, but it was a good chance to expose you guys to it. And this parabola is about right here, dotted it in, which is what causes this piece to take this shape and this piece to curve this way, because it's following the parabolic asymptote. So your homework is going to be page 133. It's exactly the same, except for I promise no parabolic asymptote this time. That's why it only says slant asymptote here. Make sure that you do this really well, and that you use the hints up top, because this will be graded, and it is due on Monday.